Still using an older version of 7-Zip, updating can give you bug fixes, security improvements, and the latest features. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your current version, download the latest release safely, install it, and confirm the update. It only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, let's see which version you already have. Open 7-Zip File Manager and look at the title bar or help menu for the installed version. You can also check the installed application from Windows settings. Make a note of the version before updating. Next, go directly to the official 7-Zip website. Avoid random download sites or unofficial installers. On the download page, you'll see the latest release along with installers for different Windows platforms. For most modern Windows computers, you'll want the 64-bit x64 installer. If your computer uses ARM, choose the ARM64 version. There's also a 32-bit installer for older systems. If you're not sure, you can check your Windows system type in Settings. Click the download link for the appropriate installer and save the file. The official site recommends the exe installer over the alternative MSI version, so for a normal Windows installation, the exe is the simple choice. Now open the installer. If Windows shows a permission prompt, confirm that you want to continue. Follow the installation wizard and choose Install. In most cases, you can keep the default installation location and settings. When the installation finishes, close the installer. After installation, open 7-Zip File Manager from the Start menu. If you had 7-Zip open during the update, close and reopen it first. This makes sure you're running the newly installed version. Finally, check the version again. Open 7-Zip and verify that the version now matches the latest release you downloaded. Yeah, that's the easiest way to confirm the update was successful. Before finishing, open a zip or 7-Zip archive and test a simple action, such as opening or extracting a file. If everything works normally, your update is complete, and if you ever notice a new release, it's worth checking the official site again, and that's how to update 7-Zip on Windows. Check your current version, download the correct installer from the official website, install it, and verify the new version afterward. So keep your installer source official, and you'll have a clean and up-to-date 7-Zip installation.